Hi, my name is Ben Arnold. I am the Vice President of Business Development here in North America for Tritone Technologies. Tritone is an Israeli-based company that has innovated a new manufacturing methodology for additive manufacturing of metal parts, specifically sinter-based metal additive manufacturing parts. So the machine that we see here, the Tritone Dominant, is making high volume, high capacity green parts. Green parts meaning parts that would then be sintered to produce metal parts. These are some of the metal parts here. We'll see more of those later. But what makes this technology unique is that we actually use a process where we, instead of trying to glue parts together, we start with a metal paste. We start with a metal paste and then deposit that metal paste into a mold. What we see here is multiple stations in our machine. We start with a wax, print wax with a cavity, fill that cavity with metal paste, and then we cure that metal paste layer by layer as we build up the part. The machine has built-in inspection technology, which allows us to verify that each layer is printed properly. It can even rework a layer if there's a need for that because some kind of problem that might happen. So we do great work, we inspect our own work, and we end up with parts that shrink about 30 to 40% less than any other of these green parts that need to be sintered afterwards. So these are the things that really differentiate our technology. Very easy to change from one material to the next. There's no powder, there's no special safety concerns that are needed as you work with this technology. And high productivity, low cost, very consistent, repeatable, reliable manufacturing process. We look forward to sharing more. You can visit our website, tritoneam.com, and see an in-depth video of the process in motion. And I think now we're going to go over and see some actual parts, the range of materials, tool steels, stainless steels, alloys like 718 Inconel, and even ceramics all can be processed with this technology with a material changeover time, say around 15 minutes to go from one material to the next. So we look forward to sharing more about Tritone. Thank you.